Hi friends, this is Achal and I am back with a new series of vocabulary. Now you might have faced certain problems related to some words. There are certain words which confuse you in your real life, isn't it? For example, if we talk about assure, ensure or insure, if we talk about were and where, if we talk about born and born. Now what is the difference between these words? They might hold a lot of differences in spelling. They might sound similar but their meaning always differ. For example, if we talk about were, W-E-R-E, and if we talk about where, W-H-E-R-E. Now your were, W-E-R-E, means it's a helping verb and it is only followed when we place a subject in a general sentence. But if we want to ask a question, then it can start with were as well. For example, if I say, they were willing to learn, that means they is the subject and were denotes a helping verb which is helping what? Which is helping the subject and the main verb. And if we talk about where, W-H-E-R-E, it means where have you been? जैसे कि आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं आप कहाँ थी? तो क्या बोलेंगे? Where have you been? It's a question. So were is a helping verb which helps the verb to form its meaning. And where is a question which you can ask where are you or where have you been? All these are questions which starts with where, to identify your place. Similarly, if we move on to born and born, what does this mean? Born means that someone entered the world. For example, if I say, I was born in 1991. What does this mean? It means I entered this world in 1991. So B-O-R-N, born means to enter a new world. Or if I say B-O-R-N-E, born, what does this mean? It means that you face something, some aspects. For example, if you say you have borne a lot of stress while taking your examination. Now you have borne what? Stress. That means you have faced a lot of stress while taking your examination. Similarly, if we move on to assure, ensure or insure, what is the difference between these? If we talk about assure, it means that you give promise to something. आप promise करते हो कि ये चीज होगी ही होगी. For example, if I say, I assure that you will pass this examination. That means I promise that you will pass this examination. Next is ensure, and the spelling for it is E-N-S-U-R-E. What does it mean? It means that you take under consideration that you will end up something. You consider something that this will be done or this will happen for sure. That is what ensure, E-N-S-U-R-E means. Then we have insure, which means I-N-S-U-R-E. Now see, this is a word which is generally used in financial terms. For example, when you take insurance policy, what does it mean? It means that you are insuring something. What does insure mean then? I-N-S-U-R-E. It means that you are taking consideration of something in financial terms. For example, I can say, insure, get the car insured before your trip. That means you are getting your car what? Insured. You're getting your car protected. So insure means protect, assure means promise, and ensure with E in it. And ensure means it will happen definitely. So there are a lot of words like this which always confuse you or might be a lot of time confuse you. So in that case, we will be discussing certain these kinds of words to make it easier for you to learn and use them in your daily life. Thank you.